here today in Moycarkey National School in Tipperary as part of our Safe Farm Futures programme. This is one of 50 visits that we're doing for schools as part of this programme. Over 22,500 kids are taking part in this programme nationwide. We really hope the kids here today have a fun day, an educational day, and take in all that it is to know around being safe around animals, machinery and everything that's happening on a farm.
This guard is part of the tractor, and as you can see, when the PTO shaft is on, it's almost impossible to get anything caught in there.
Farming has changed, there's less people involved in farming, and as a result farm safety is left on the back burner and chances are taken.
It is vitally important that children come and visit farms but also understand the risks that are there for them. Livestock are lovely for children to come and visit in the right places, but going into a field where animals are not supervised is extremely dangerous for young people. And I believe it's crucially important the work Agri Aware do in educating our school children and young people about the importance of safety on our farms.
We've had a great day today. We're after 2 workshops across 3 different groups. We've had over 147 students take part in all these workshops and everybody's after having a great time. And remember, stay safe on a farm.